Say, now that's a lot of bananas.
Really?
Say, now that's a lot of bananas.
Now that's a lot of bananas.
Now that's a lot of bananas.
Hey everyone, I'm Sav and this is Lagom Eats. Today we're going to be making Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. Now, Magnolia Bakery was founded in New York City, but they have a few locations across the country and they are known for their banana pudding. Unfortunately, I don't live too close to one, so I don't go very often, but they released their actual recipe so we can make it at home. It's super easy, and guys, it is the best banana pudding ever. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We're gonna be using 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, a cup and a half of ice water, a 3.4 ounce box of vanilla instant pudding, 14 ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 12-ounce box of vanilla wafers, and about 4 cups of sliced bananas. Let's get mixing. So the first thing we're gonna do is pour our water into a bowl and pour our sweetened condensed milk in there as well. And we're gonna whisk this up. Okay, now we're gonna take our instant pudding. And if you know anything about me, you probably know that I like to do everything from scratch. Obviously, we're not doing this today, but this is Magnolia Bakery's real recipe, and it's so good, so why mess with a good thing? And just dump it in there, and we'll whisk it up. Okay, so now we're gonna cover this with saran wrap and let it chill in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. All right, I made this pudding last night and chilled it overnight. You wanna make sure that it is chilling for at least 3 to 4 hours, otherwise your pudding is gonna be really runny. But you can make this the night before, chill it overnight, and it'll be perfect the next day. So now we are gonna make our whipped cream. So take your 3 cups of heavy whipping cream and pour it into your bowl. All right, we're gonna use our whisk attachment for this and set it on like medium. Let it whip up. All right, our whipped cream is done. As you can see, it's forming stiff peaks. You want stiff peaks, not soft peaks here. All right, now we're gonna put the whipped cream into our pudding. Just do a little bit at a time. We'll do like 1/3 at a time. Just gently fold it in. We're gonna add in another 1/3. Mix that in. Okay, and add in the rest. All right, mix that in. This pudding is just super creamy and fluffy and light. It's incredible. So that is literally what the pudding is. Super easy. All it is I guess there's 4 ingredients because of the water. 4 ingredients for this pudding, and that's it. Let's chop up our bananas. So you do want less ripe bananas here because they're gonna be exposed to air for quite a long time. So if they're super ripe, then they're gonna turn brown even quicker. So definitely don't use like really ripe bananas. You want them more, a little bit on the green side. Not too green though, obviously. Okay, we're gonna chop them up to like 1/4 inch slices. All right, now we gotta assemble it. So we're using a glass bowl. It looks really pretty when you see the layers. So I recommend using a glass bowl. You can use little individual sized bowls and do your own individual banana puddings. You could also use a 9x13 baking dish. You need about a 4 to 5 quart bowl. This is a little bit smaller. I don't have something 4 to 5 quarts, so we're gonna have a little bit of extra on the side, but that's okay. So we're gonna start with our vanilla wafers. We're just gonna layer these on the bottom. All around. Now we're gonna do our bananas. layer those on top of the Nilla wafers. Okay, now we're going to layer a little bit of our pudding on there. Okay, now we're gonna repeat the Nilla wafer, banana, and then pudding layer until we get to the top. Okay, so we're almost done. We're just gonna kind of decorate this. You can do this however you want. Put some of the full Nilla wafers, crumble them up, put some cookie crumbs over it, some bananas, whatever floats your boat. Put some of these in the center, put some bananas around them. All right, so our banana pudding is almost done, but it does have to go in the fridge for at least 4 hours and up to 8 hours. You don't wanna go any more past 8 hours, otherwise these bananas are gonna brown. So I made a little one because we are actually going to give the big one to our friends. It's their baby's 1-year birthday tomorrow. So happy birthday, little Nova, we love you. But so I'm gonna try this one. Let's take a bite. Love this, I'm so excited. Amazing, the fresh bananas, Nilla wafers, and that amazing pudding. So good, so creamy and light. Amazing dessert. You guys need to try this, and if you get the chance, go to Magnolia Bakery, it's incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed the Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. The full recipe can be found on my food blog at logameats.com. I've got new delicious dishes coming out every week, so hit a like and subscribe below. I'll see you guys next time. Hey, dough.